Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for February 28. Parliament has been prorogued as the government prepares to launch the new financial year with a tabling of the 2013-2014 budget on April 4. Information Minister Senator Sandra Faulkner announced Wednesday that the budget debate would begin on Thursday, April 18, with Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips making his presentation. That will be followed by presentations from the opposition spokesman on finance, the opposition leader and the Prime Minister. The budget debate closes on Wednesday, May 1. The Students' Loan Bureau, the SLB, has strengthened its capacity to provide financial support for tertiary students. On Monday, Cabinet approved a government guarantee for the SLB to access a $20 million loan from the Caribbean Development Bank, the CDB. The bank is also providing a grant of $175,000.
The loan will facilitate the provision of affordable and adequate financing to students from poor and vulnerable households to complete tertiary level programs in approved institutions in Jamaica and the Caribbean.
The SLB provides funding for some 30% of Jamaica's tertiary students. The Bustamante Hospital for Children is to soon have a new cardiac wing with the capacity to perform more complicated heart surgeries and shorten the long waiting list of patients needing surgery. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller officially broke ground for the cardiac wing, which is to be completed in 2014. The Prime Minister said that while the Health Ministry would have to redouble its efforts in respect of the current economic times, the provision of health care could not be jeopardized.
We also have a duty to ensure that the quality of health services provided for the people of Jamaica, and especially for our children, is not compromised.
Bustamante Hospital's new cardiac wing is made possible through a public-private sector partnership with several organizations contributing to its construction. Among them, Digicel, Sagicor Jamaica, the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation and Chain of Hope. The Jamaica Constabulary Force's crime-fighting efforts have been boosted with the addition of 15 new vehicles. The brand-new Toyota Corolla motor cars were acquired by the Tourism Enhancement Fund at a cost of $28.2 million. They'll be assigned to resort areas in the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland and St. Mary. Speaking at the handing over ceremony on Wednesday, State Minister for Tourism and Entertainment Damian Crawford said it was important to provide crime fighters with the necessary tools to effectively execute their duties.
Today's donation marks the latest move in our ongoing initiative to bolster the resources of our law enforcers. In May of last year, we presented the JCF with 16 sports utility vehicles, costing approximately $32 million.
Government will be pushing for a solid and meaningful foundation for the growth and development of the diaspora movement at an upcoming conference in June. The 5th Biennial Jamaica Diaspora Conference, set for June 16 to 19 at the Montego Bay Conference Center, was officially launched Wednesday. Under the theme, A Nation on a Mission, Jamaica Diaspora Partnership Development, the conference will feature presentations by various interest groups on trade and investment. Expectations are that Conference 2013 will lead to the initiation of meaningful business and trade deals.
These will be targeted to specific projects with business opportunities for the diaspora and opportunities for the diaspora to participate in the equities market.
And finally, the Office of the Prime Minister has unveiled a new interactive web portal to improve the public's access to information on government. The new-look website, opm.gov.jm, was designed by the Jamaica Information Service and is also maintained by the agency. The main features of the website are timely news releases emerging from the OPM, profiles of the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers, and information on the policies and programs of the government. Information Minister Senator Sandra Faulkner says that in the near future, members of the press will also be able to download videos and audio clips from the website.
We're going to try to update the website in real time, and we're hoping that JIS will have enough resources in short order so you can actually download videos from the OPM website.
The website also provides a history of Jamaica House and a virtual tour, along with the links to social media and other government websites. The weekly Jamaica House press briefings and sittings of Parliament will be streamed live on the site. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.